framework we should know about. Okay, one is cloud adoption framework, and another is well architecture framework. These two is, you can say, when suppose you are working in a company, okay, in that company they are planning to move all the data, so not all the data, all digital footprint into there in cloud server. Okay, either it will be in premises data, or it will be sorry, or it will be like cloud to cloud data. Okay, so doing these things, you have some predefined framework. Okay, so you cannot do like that randomly. Okay, I'm uploading some file there. Okay, then it should work. No, it will not happen. Okay, it will simply not happen. Okay, for that you need a like lot of conversation, lot of thinking, and you need to know the architecture. What is the architecture of your project? Okay, that you need to know. Then only you can take a decision, because moving to the client is sorry, moving to the cloud is not only your technical thing. Lot of thing is there. Okay, so that there is some like pros, cons. So all these things you need to like, when you are doing these things, you have to keep in your mind. So for very in AWS particularly, in AWS, this CAF and well architecture framework, that is very renowned. Simply, that is very renowned. There is other architecture also. Okay, but that is applicable for Azure. That is applicable for another is thing like for GCP, Spectra. These things is there. But yeah, when we are talking about AWS migration, these two framework is the very, like I can say, renowned, and every company, like 99% they maintain these two framework only. So we need to know what is the cloud adoption framework and what is the well architecture framework. I just gave you one this one image. Please open it. Open.
Yeah, we opened. Yes.
Yeah, great. Thank you. So what is AWS CF? As I told you. So this framework provides a comprehensive guidance to the organization. Okay, when I will explain last this six things, you will understand those all those stuff. But for now, yes. So those are like comprehensive guidance to the organization. So whatever uh, these things, whatever cloud you are going to adapt, okay, it's not every cloud, as told you, not every cloud is cloud adoption framework, but in every cloud there is a framework, and all those framework is more or less same. Okay, so you have to maintain a framework. You cannot do like that. If so, before 2022, there is in yeah, in 2022 only, AWS launched this two framework. Okay, before that there is no such concept about framework and all. But yes, so I did that. That's why I know that. So obviously, when we are uploading some any project, no, so from local system to on-premises system, then cloud. Okay, so before that we like a at least 20 to 30-day discussion happened, and then it happened. So we are uploading into so now AWS gives us a very like I can say you uh, informative framework. Okay, you don't have to do a lot of things. If you know all those stuff, you can easily upload a thing. You don't, it's only I can say in developer perspective, you don't need any other guy. Okay, but the organizationally you need DevOps guy, you need network guy, you need system architecture guy, you need cloud architecture guy, even the cost optimization people you need, plus even you can say uh, so your CEO, whoever give you the cost estimation, okay, these things you need to know. So those people are required. But yeah, for uploading purpose, you can do that if you maintain this framework. So this is that's why I'm telling you this is very important. So in CAF we had six like I can say uh, core attributes or six perspective. Okay, one is business, next one is people, third one is governance, fourth one is security, fifth one is platform, and sixth one is operations. Okay. So first is the business perspective. Okay. So business perspective is nothing but first you have to align with your developer. Very simple question. So business, last day I think I when I discussed with uh, one second, just give me one second. Yeah. Yeah, last day when I discussed with you, Mona, I told you at that time, no. So first you have to discuss with the business. So I am talking about the business perspective. Okay. So you have to align with your developer. This is the first criteria, not with other people. Okay. Because suppose you are planning to upload into AWS and your project is totally depend on data lake or delta lake. Okay. Uh, hello. Everyone is here.
Yeah, Sudeep.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So suppose you worked with like a Delta Lake or Data Lake. In that particular case, if you use AWS or GCP, it will not work. Okay, then you have to think about Azure. Or as I told you, if your language is so your developer, you have to discuss with developer, and your developer told you, okay, I my project, because as a businessman, you don't know, you are maintaining the business, you don't know in which language the project is written. Okay, so you will ask your developer, okay, we are planning to upload it to AWS. At that time your developer will say, don't upload it in AWS because it will be later it will be difficult for us to maintain. Okay, I need GCP because code wise it will be easy for us, upload purpose, data lake purpose, everything easy for us. So that conversation is the first conversation it should be with your business team and with your AWS team. Now, suppose why these two? Now, your developer team says, okay, I need in Azure. Okay, but obvious, everyone knows AWS much more cheaper than Azure. Okay, and your budget doesn't permit to upload Azure. Okay, so then you can force your developer, okay, I don't have that much of money. Okay, I have a little penny, so I cannot afford Azure. So you have to upload in AWS. So for that, whatever you have to do, do it. We will upload after 1 month. But whatever changes you need to do, that you can change it. Okay. So this type of conversation is required between your business and your IT team. Okay. So this is the first. And in between, when you discuss with your business and your IT team, the main focus for business, that is ROI, return of investment. And when your developer, this is from business to developer, it is main thing is focused, it will be ROI, return to investment. Okay. And for developer to businessman, it is business cases. Okay, because I have a product, I am uploading into server, or I have a server, I am uploading into server. So what are the business case will come to us, or what are the problem we have to face? Okay, so with align all those businesses cases and the difficulties, I will give you better suggestion. That is why I'm telling you this is like vice versa. Business will ask you about the ROI. Okay, because they will keep these things in their mind, ROI, and people, sorry, in the developer will focus on more than ROI. The developer will focus the this one only, business goal or business cases, business benefits, all those stuff. Okay. Okay. So now another thing is, suppose you have a ready business. Ready business means suppose you are owning a business which is e-commerce business. Okay. So and you don't want to change up this business because it's very renowned. Okay, Flipkart, it is very renowned, and you are selling the product and you are making lot of money. Okay, so you don't want to change unnecessary things. Okay, so you will ask your developer, okay, I need these things. Okay, I don't want to change, and it is a one-time job. So think about it. Give me the estimation. Okay, That is one part. The business, whatever business will tell you that you have to maintain. Another problem is, yes, in opposite side, if you ask, if you are trying to upgrade your project, suppose you have a project is like what I can say, uh, any chip making company, okay, because day by day they are updating their chip, okay, and to maintain all the sensing data, they are sensor data they want to dump into your server, okay, so that is why their data is always changing. So in that case, you have to keep in your mind what is my problem. First of all, overall performance, okay, drive innovation and reduce business risk. Yes, obviously, reduce business risk is very important because if you go with like cheap type of things, it is obviously national security threat. Okay, so that you have to maintain. So in that particular case, your IT guy will be there, your business people will be there, your security guy also will be there. So to maintain the first point, you need, so first I told you about this one, development team. Second, it will come for your security guy. Okay, business will be the common. Okay, now next one is the operational thing. Okay, so suppose you have these things. Suppose, yeah, so let's take this chip thing. Okay, for cheap thing, you have some guidelines. Okay, that is cloud guidelines. So I think Mona, if you know, that is okay. Later I will explain. So every user has its own like access. Okay, so some people create the architecture of the microchip. Some people create design of that microchip. Okay, but the designer is not know about the architecture. Architecture people is not know about the selling things. Okay, so what are the selling things there? What are the microprocessor I am using there? These things. Okay, so every single person we need a governance. Or it is not only in development area, in governance in every aspect. So this is another team, that is another team, those are another team. Okay, they don't have communicate between, except the team leader, they don't have a communication between all of them, among of them. So governance, so for that you need the operations guy who will take care of your governance. Okay, so one point for CA business perspective, you had to maintain all those type of things. One is your developer, another is your what it say, mm, mm, the data governance people. Another is like whoever taking this one, over organization, business increased operational efficiency, ESG, business these type of things that is there. It is only for business. Now, if I can, okay, any confusion with business? Anyone have any confusion?
Yeah, Sudeep.
Yeah, tell me.
So just want to check, focuses on goal.
Hmm.
So in terms of business perspective, only we are discussing now, right?
Yes, yes,
Nothing else.
nothing else.
Okay. Having
Because,
said that, we
yeah,
are
tell me.
trying to figure out different roles in terms
Yes,
of
yes.
dev, in terms of ops.
No,
Uh-huh.
no. Business,
Okay.
okay. When you taking the business is first, business will take the decision. A development
Okay.
team cannot take the decision. Business will
Mm-hmm.
fight because your on premises expense is too high.
Mm.
Okay, so you have to buy server, every single thing. You have to buy server. You cannot scale your services. If you want to scale your services, you need more hard disks. You need more RAM. Okay, that is the physical, and
Yeah.
that is a too much cost. Now you are
Mm.
thinking, okay, I cannot afford that much of amount each and
Mm.
every day. Okay, because each and every day your data is increasing. Think about when Flipkart opened. Okay, at that time they sell only books, so their customer base is very like limited.
Mm.
Nowadays, Flipkart selling lot of things, and their customer base is too high. So
Yeah.
day by day they increasing their data, so volume
Mm.
of data. So for that you have to take the decision. Okay, for that What are the people you should talk about? Okay, so business, who are the people business should contact about? First
Mm-hmm.
and foremost is developer, because this is a product. Anyhow, this is a software product. Okay, and software product means developer.
Okay,
So
one question here.
yes.
By any chance, would you be able to share any, real-time business case, and we can discuss about all this
Yeah,
later?
I will tell you. Let me explain this one.
Uh, sure,
There
sure.
are,
Okay, fine. Yeah, please continue.
yeah. Uh, Brett, any questions?
No, no, so far no doubt.
Okay, great. So now come to the people perspective. Okay, in people perspective, so people will upload this data. Sorry, people. So suppose you are you have like one education related website, okay, or education related product. Okay, so you want to reach for a lot of people. Okay, so what is the people perspective? Addresses organizational culture, skill development, staffing, and training needs require the successful cloud adoption. Okay, so now you have, as I told you, you have a software which is like education related thing. Okay, now for that, first you have to like educate your employee. Okay, so developer will not give you, so developer will create that platform. Okay, but who will teach you? People like me. They don't know about the software, how it works. Okay, we need to know about that one. Okay, how it works, how can I earn money from there? Okay, so how can I set up this like videos streaming thing or audio thing? All those stuff I need to know first, because I am not a user. I'm not going to use this one. I am only teacher. Okay, so first of all, and also I am not the like mm, employee of that company, that website company. Okay, I am a hired teacher. So for that organization, I need to know their culture. I need to know that have to like do the staffing. Okay, I need the training for my like these things for the cloud adoption. So suppose, as I told you, I'm a teacher. Okay, I don't have any concept about cloud and all. So what I will do, I don't know even type a single thing to open a website. Okay, so for that we that organizational people will teach me. Okay, as I'm a teacher, because our students know everything. They know they are Gen Z people. They can open a website. They can do whatever they want, but I am an old person. I don't know about this one. Okay, then it is the responsibility for the organization, okay, to teach me how to use their platform. Okay, so that is why the framework, when you create, take a decision with sitting there. First, business will take a decision. Okay, I want to create, I want to upload my educated education software into cloud. Okay, then a developer will suggest these, you can use this project, so you can use this cloud server. Okay, there, so everything is done. Now second phase will come. People people I have to educate, because look, when you create a software or a project or a website, okay, so it's not only the client. Okay, suppose your project is related with a product company. Okay, so you have a product, you need marketing person, you need sales person, and they need to know about the product. Okay, when they are going to a different company to showcase your product, they need to know how it works. When I try to open the website, okay, how I can demonstrate these things to the other people. So second part of this, after business, will to educate the people, either in your organization or also outside of organization. Now, suppose a student, okay, a student. he is also don't know about the website and all. Okay, I am giving him or her a link. Okay, and I told them, okay, open this link, you will get the streaming access. The problem is he don't know about this one, how to open it. So for that, in every website there is a video or something where you can educate your uh, people, your targeted people. Okay, so this education not only from only website, for all, in all purpose, you need to like educate them. This is the people perspective. So not only that, so as I told you, one product you have, and on that product you have some developer, you have some marketing person, you have sales person. Okay, so to sell your product, you need to create a work group. Okay, so in people, first you have to ready them. Okay, ready them in the sense you have to teach them. Okay, how this website works. When you try to demonstrate this website, what portion you have to display them. Okay, and creating a workforce. So who all? So look, a suppose you have a product. Okay, you and the layman, they don't need to do that because it is your offline product and online product. Okay, so for offline product they don't have to come into your project website. Okay, your marketing guy will go there and like demonstrate your product there, and they will sell from their shop. Okay, but that is also a team. Their data is also we are storing into database. Okay, end of the month when that people will come to you, okay, what are the sales I did? I'm a shop person. Now tell me what are the sales I did. Okay, and how many product like from my shop it's got sold. This instruction, these things is already there in our website. So then we will tell them. So those are also workforce. Sorry, workforce. I will tell them. Okay, check it our website. Okay, this is your admin part. You can go there, you can open your account there, you can easily access. So you have in customer sorry, like shop ID, open that shop ID, you will get all those things. So people, yeah, or not only developer is one thing. Okay, developer is not going to teach anyone. So it is responsibility of your business. Okay, or CEO, CFO, CDO, they will teach all the people, not only for marketing person, sales person, shop retailer, everyone. So people is all related with either you have to teach them in the second position, or you have to create, not or actually, you have to create the workforce also.
Yeah, Sudeep, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, so I think you just picked up two teams, so we can include HR as well, right? HR and even
I
different
will come. I will come later. HR is also there.
acha.
HR will also there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Just for example sake, I'm covering. So
Hmm.
sales team comes, for example, marketing, HR team. Then we have some
Hmm.
front desk team,
Hmm.
end
Hmm.
users,
Hmm.
TV users.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, okay. Everybody in the company, let's say.
Everybody. Everybody in the company.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine, sure. So who's gonna educate us?
Mostly the management people. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Or I'm telling you what is happening in my last company. As because I
Mm-hmm.
told you, my company is government aided company. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
we worked for directly central government. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And our project was like GST. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so there was a team. Okay, in Bangalore only. In Bangalore, there is a 30 people team. Okay, they went shop to shop. Okay, and give them instruction. Okay, this is how you have to upload your data. This is how you have to do that. Okay, this is one type of teaching. Another is there is some marketing person. Like we had around 150 marketing person there. Okay, their thing is different. They are trying to sell our product. Okay, The Phenomics sorry, the product name is Phenomics GST. They try to Phenomics GST for big company like Dell, like HP, those type of company. Their target goal is different, and they had some small shopkeeper also. They went to shopkeeper and they explain how you have to use this software, because end of the day, in every day they have to upload their invoice data, which creates the GST. Okay, it is either per day or in a week. That, like, what I can say, uh, that teaching is required for the small shopkeeper. And the marketing person will go to HP and they will ask you, okay, there is a lot of software. You can use Tally. Okay, you can use, there is another company, our rival company. I forgot their name. Okay. Loan khata and these type of things. There's a multiple company they are using this. So I asked them, okay, this type of software is there, okay, where you can upload, or you can directly go upload your data and it go to the government. So, and at that point, what was our USP? We told them, okay, there is only 5 company who are the government affiliated. Okay, we are among of them. So don't go anywhere, okay, because our rival company also upload their data into our server. We are cross check them and upload into government portal. Okay, so instead of doing like these things, directly come to our platform. So this type of views. So that is a different learning teaching, and these things is a different teaching. But yes, all are our workforce. The marketing person is also our workforce. Those teacher, that 30 and 32 teacher, are 32 or 35, I forgot actually. Those teacher is a different workforce, but all are our workforce. Got my point?
Yeah, yeah, understood. Thank you.
Okay. So now governance. This is a big thing. Okay. So governance means it focuses on leadership, organizational structure, and process for managing and controlling cloud environment. Okay, so you cannot rely your, so when you are uploading all your data into like cloud server, okay, you cannot rely your developer anymore. Okay, yes, some percent, because they have to work on it. Okay, for that, they have like a development environment, then QA environment, and then production environment. But the leadership, that means CEO, CFO. If we are talking about a small company, then CEO, CFO, okay, they cannot able to give access to developer. When it upload into production server, the whole controls comes to a CFO, or that responsible person who will take care of this governance thing. Okay, so here leadership is the main thing. Who will taking care of the project. They are not going to develop anything, but yes, because sensitive data is there, multiple data. So if you send it to every data, okay, so instead of demo data, if you are sending those data into developer, it possible they can like share those data with a different client, or what they can do, they can delete those data. So data governance or the project governance is very important. And to set up the governance, later we'll understand IAM. AWS provides IAM. Okay, so that is later. So first it will focuses the leadership, organizational structure, because suppose you first your structure is CEO, okay, then manager, then assistant manager, then associate manager. Okay, so the production level access only have your two people, CEO and your manager. Then it will distribute what type of access you have. You have all the access, you have only view access, or you can do the manipulation of those data. This governance, whenever you upload, whenever you like these things, whenever you upload your data, or you Means when you start working in cloud formation, okay, these governance things is very important. It's all about protecting your website, your data, everything. You cannot blame a developer, okay, that amount data got deleted. No, it is your responsibility. Give the access. You cannot give whole access to a developer. You cannot give a delete access to a developer. You just, because developer want to work on it, okay, they need a lot amount of data. Yes, you can give them view access, or you can give them like coding access, but you cannot give them the delete access. And who will take care of it? The management or the leadership. Okay, so whenever you are uploading your project into cloud, the third thing, okay, which is most important, which is governance. You have to create a architecture, organizational architecture, who have all those access, what type of access the below person have, these things. This the whole architecture you have to create before, like a demo architecture at least you have to create before uploading into migrating into cloud migration. Anything about governance?
Yeah. So I have a couple of questions. First
Yes.
one is, are we going to use, like, let's say we have the ITL framework,
Hmm.
which is most widely used in infra projects.
Hmm.
So are we going to use some sort of ITL framework related standards? First question. Second question is, like, who provides this all these details? Like, this has to be there, this has to not to be there. Is it a part of SOW, or like who shares the requirements initially? That's a bit of a vast question.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you are talking about ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so look, if you talk about ITIL, okay, so who will give data access? The management only. है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, so CF also, in CF also, first you have to create a team.
Mm-hmm.
Generally, what happening, I'm telling you
Mm.
how it happens. So you
Okay.
have to create a team before uploading or before migrating any data into any server. Okay. And every person of that like of the team has its own responsibility.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now when your business in the sense management, okay, management
Okay.
discuss, okay, now we have to upload everything into AWS or Azure. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the final decision. Okay. After taking
Yeah.
that final decision, now you have time around I'm telling you 2 to 3 months. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
all possibility, all issues that need
Mm-hmm.
to be clarified. Okay, so this type of issue we can face after uploading this one. It's not about development. Don't think about development. Okay, so we are uploading data into their uh,
Okay. Cloud.
server. Okay, in
Mm-hmm.
cloud. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
in local system we can show the local host, the server, there is local host, and it is already in your computer. You can easily open it and easily so you can delete data, you can update data, because this is a local data. Okay,
Okay.
but
Okay.
when you are like approaching a client, okay, they will ask you, okay, I need, okay, show me that how you can delete those data. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
how I can update those data. So suppose I did something wrong, how can I can update? Yeah, obviously a client will ask you. It's a very common question. Okay, so
Okay.
that you have to think, okay, which all people will get that access, or what type of access they. So before that, you have to chalk out every single thing, every single possibility. Either it is good, either it is bad. Okay, when everything is like yes, done from everywhere, everyone knows their responsibility. If something happened, how we can handle it. Discuss actually how, if something happened, how we can handle it, and what will be the role and responsibility for each person. If it is
Mm.
defined properly, then we are going to start these things.
So it's like covering all the risks, assumptions,
all
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 those
all
things.
Yeah,
Okay.
risk
Mm.
assumption is like, this is
Mm.
the main thing. If you go for a
Okay.
developer
Okay.
perspective, this is the main thing.
Mm-hmm.
even if the governance thing, it, I can say you, it should be before people. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
business,
Mm-hmm.
developer and governance, it is happening like in same module.
Okay.
Okay, people will come later. People will require after upload everything into server. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because when you are uploading your project into cloud, you don't need marketing person, you don't need sales person. But yes, you need to know the governance, who have that authority, actually
Okay.
authority, what
Mm-hmm.
type of authority you have, what you can do with these things. Okay, then people will come. You can do a lot of things like that one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Sure.
Brit, any question?
No, no, no. Please carry on.
Okay, now you understand platform, choose the right one. Okay, this is very important. So I will give you one PDF. Okay, that I don't want to discuss. You have to read it. Why I should use AWS, why I shouldn't use AWS, why I should use Azure, and why not. Okay, like these three is the main uh, cloud server right now. Okay, so you need to know, because this is a very common question. Okay, why you should AWS, why you should not. In which case you are going to use AWS, or in which case you shouldn't use. First, I told you, if you use Delta Lake or Data Lake, then you cannot able to use AWS. Then you have to these things. You have to shift into Azure. So that pros and cons you have for every project, say every cloud. That is very common question. That I will give you PDF. So choosing platform, you have to keep all those things in your mind. Okay, why this one, why it is not there. Now if you think about the governance, okay, because uh, the set of governance rule in AWS very clear. I Brett know about the IAM. Mohana, I don't know you know about the IAM or not, but it is very clear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you
I didn't.
can, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you can like access, I'm telling you, in single level. So you can access those type of things. Okay, you can see only 100 row. This type of access you can give any person. So it's very, if you go for the GCP, it's like brainstorming to give access and all. So if your team is like that, I don't need that complexity, then obviously you have to choose the AWS platform, because you have to like know the ability of your team also. Your, suppose your thinking is too high. Okay, I want to do that, but yeah, you have some like these things, no, ability of your team. If they cannot able to handle the GCP, you cannot go there. Okay,
Right.
yeah. So platform, don't worry, platform I will give you that you have to read. Okay, then if you have any question, come to me. So why AWS and why not? Why Azure? Why not? And why GCP and why not? Okay, those things. That means those, if you know those things, you can easily choose the platform. And obviously, the cost is the very much important thing, because you don't have that much of money. Okay, and you are trying to upload the data into Azure, it will not happen, because I'm telling you, it's around double. Azure is around double. So S3 amount, okay, S3 is, you can say, data lake of AWS, whereas blob, okay, in Azure, or data lake or delta lake in Azure, that is around I can say not only 2.5 times expensive than S3. So that also you have to keep in your mind. But yes, I will give you those things. So which, where you can take like decision which platform I'm going to use. Next is security. Obviously, this is the, I can say, pillar. Okay. First, what are the security? So so security comes from the very primary stage. Suppose you are uploading data. Okay. So suppose your project is related with a banking project or finance project. Okay, so there you are dealing with lakhs and crores every single day. Okay, so there is a two type of problem when you are uploading data. We face that problem. That's why I'm telling you this is uh, actual scenario when we are uploading data into our on-premises server to cloud server. Okay, now it is in AWS. I had to know now it is they are also changing into Azure. So at that time, okay, uh, I think I from France or Germany. Okay, they pushed a malware. Okay, so you ask me it is GST. Why France or Germany? Because IGST is also there, no? CGST, IGST, and SGST. IGST means international. Okay, so they pushed a malware, and in one single day, we lost uh, around 10 GB of records. And it happened while uploading these things into, because when you are uploading these things, no, I am you can create after uploading these things. So you have that time span, okay, either like 1 day or 1.5 day, where your total data is not secured because you are uploading. This is the uploading buffer time. At that time that they able to push the malware there. Okay, these things happen. I know that. So yes, so the security, that is why you have to safeguard your data from the very first day, even when you are uploading the data into server also. Okay, so there is a lot of risk assessment or risk management you have to do. Okay, and for that you need proper risk security concert people, okay, who knows about the proper encoding, who know how data run through from this server to that server, okay, in which area we can put internet, and obviously cyber security people. Okay, this type of people is also required when you are doing these things. So in design principle, what we can say for AWS, particularly for AWS, so AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM. Okay, so this is very primary. IAM you have to use to enforce access control. Okay, you need to allow your traceability. Traceability means log, monitor, alert, or audit. All those activities provide the traceability of security. You have to secure your in all layers in the sense from architecture to network, computer, storage, everywhere you have to put your security. In storage, your data can store from storage. Okay. In compute, when you are doing compute, so there is a very common in our this development way, where one equal to one, you are doing something. Okay, query. This is called data injection. So select something. Okay, so let's take username password. Okay, select username password from a table. Okay, where username equal to this one and something like that. Okay, so if you put where one equal to one, okay, you will get all data. Previously it happened, now it will not happen because data injection is there and a lot of things now you can secure. But yeah, previously it was there. Where one equal to one, you will get all data in your system, so you can easily hack that system. So that's why I'm telling you, storage, computer, even in network. Okay, in network the main problem is like malware. If you can put any malware in your network, okay, you can easily access those data. uh, Automate so instead of sending data manually, okay, so it will be better if you can do it like using automation. Why I'm telling you, because while doing the automation things, no, you can use your security. If you try to upload one by one file, okay, you cannot put security there. But while, so suppose one CI/CD pipeline, one pipeline is there, it will automatically upload all the files using all the security things. So instead of uploading all the files and all the records, instead of using manual, better to use like automation. Protect data at the time of transit. Yes, protect data at the time of transit means you have to encrypt your data. When uploading from on-premises to this one, you have to encrypt your data. That code you have to create. Okay, when you are deploy these things into server, you can like decrypt those data. It will come into the same format. The rest of the thing is, yes, IAM and all keep people away from data. Okay, so as I told you, instead of manual, use automation. That will be better, far better. Okay, and monitoring every single time, because in AWS you are going to learn about CloudWatch. Okay, and log. Okay, so every single time you have to maintain the log. What type of data upload happened, what type of, so you have 30 TB of data, how much data it already sent from one in-premises to cloud. So this monitoring need to be there when you are uploading those data from. So this type of security measure you have to take, but I'm not telling this is the foolproof security. Okay, but yes, some portion of security you have to do that, and these are the parts of the security. Okay, any question?
No, no questions sir, so far.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so since we talked about these are like a typical layers, like architecture, compute,
Yes, yes,
network,
yes,
automate,
yes.
then
Uh,
protect and monitoring.
my suggestion, take business,
Uh,
then
uh,
governance. Okay.
uh.
Then platform. Okay. Then
Mm-hmm,
security, then
mm-hmm,
operations.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Then people.
Yeah, understood. No, what I'm asking is the layers that we talked about.
Hmm.
Architect, compute, network, automate,
Hmm.
protect, and monitoring.
Hmm.
What exactly these are? These are phases or what exactly? Layers.
It's
Layers
not,
of security.
yeah, it's layers of, not layers of security. Those type
Uh,
of security you need to, like,
uh-huh.
at the very
Okay,
first, think about it. You are
okay,
uploading data. Okay.
okay.
So my first scenario, when you are uploading data from your on-premises to server, when you are
Hmm,
uploading, that means
hmm,
when you are transporting your data from
hmm.
on-premises to cloud. Okay, it may
Okay.
happen someone try to put malware there.
Mm-hmm,
So there your like security is
mm-hmm,
compromised. Okay,
mm-hmm,
so for that, one measure I can take, I can create my own encoding system. While
mm-hmm.
uploading, we are going to use that encoding system, and when it like it comes, everything comes into our server, we will run a decrypt system, decoding system, and we will go through this system and we will again convert this the into raw data. That I can do. Okay, that should do actually. But
Okay.
yes, this is only on transmission, transporting purpose. Okay, it's not about only transporting issue. Traceability means the log. As I told you, na, CloudWatch, in AWS we
Yeah,
have a CloudWatch. You
yeah.
have to maintain that log. How much
Mm-hmm.
data shifted from here to there?
Okay.
There is only one option, that is CloudWatch. So CloudWatch, for monitoring, for auditing, for alert purpose, you have to maintain that CloudWatch. That is called traceability.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is you can take, this is the second point. Okay.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Now you have to put security. It is either what you can say, encoding, basically encoding. Okay, in
mm-hmm,
all
mm-hmm,
layer. Okay,
mm-hmm.
in network layer, in computer layer, in storage layer, all the encoding is different for different. Okay, so you cannot use encoding in computer layer whatever is same thing in storage layer. So for encoding you have a one type of encoding system, in network you have a one type of encoding system, or in computer you have another encoding system, in storage you have a encoding system. When everything's come, decode that, it will work. Okay, this is, I can tell you, there is a lot of security measure you can do that, but the problem
Mm.
is it is not foolproof. If you ask me, okay, if I do these things, my data will foolproof? No, because your hacker is much more smarter than us. Very
Yeah,
simple.
as you mentioned that example, that 10
Hmm.
GB data that's got injected or
I told you
deleted.
10 GB. No, it is not 10 GB.
Uh,
It's more than
uh,
100 GB.
yeah. How did
Yeah.
you handle that?
Okay.
No,
We
it's a
cannot
real
able to
time
handle.
scenario.
We
No,
cannot able
real
to
time.
handle.
Okay, it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone, totally gone.
My goodness. Okay.
So remember in 2018, yes,
Mm-hmm.
when in 2017 end the GST
Mm-hmm.
concept started. Okay, in
Mm-hmm.
2018 middle. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, so some of the product price. Okay, we freezed because of
Mm-hmm.
that problem. Because of
Mm-hmm.
that problem only,
Mm-hmm.
we face government face a big loss. Big
Okay.
loss.
Mm-hmm. But later they would have collected by means of taxes funds. That's a different story.
Actually, yeah, for what happened,
Yeah.
for that
Uh,
reason, our company like sacked
uh-huh.
32 people
Ah, my goodness. Mm,
because that was government ordered. We cannot able to do
mm,
anything.
mm.
This
Okay,
type of
okay.
things happen. Don't worry.
Yeah, I mean, that's a real time example, right?
Yes,
So
that's
once
a
gone, gone
yes,
forever.
yes, yes.
Mm, okay. But no, one question, like it may sound silly, but
Okay, so
they might be
those are the
having the backup,
security.
right?
No, that was the
Ah,
problem. That was the
ah,
problem. They put
okay.
that mail. No, no, no. Backup
Mm,
was there. Okay.
mm,
So what happened, so
mm,
that is the in-premises problem, no? So
mm,
backup in the sense we are the in same server or same server in same hard disks only we have that
mm.
backup.
Oh
Okay, and
God.
they
Okay.
like trigger on our hard disks and they
Mm,
remove those data, IGST data. And you think IGST data, it's not 1 rupee
mm.
and GST at all. IGST,
Got
that
it,
means
got
big
it.
amount of data.
Yeah.
They delete that one.
Super intelligent people.
Yeah,
Yeah, as you mentioned that hackers are more intelligent.
yeah,
Yeah.
obviously.
Okay, okay. Okay, got it. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Okay.
So now operational excellence. The operational excellence is the, you can say, last pillar, but I'm not saying it is last pillar. People should be the last pillar. Okay, the excellence focuses on the running of workflows effectively and efficiently, while gaining insight into ops and allow organization to continuously improve processes and procedures to deliver business value. Okay, so it's very obviously, so it depend on how efficient your uh, ops team. Okay, so if uh, your ops team is not efficient, okay, so it will be, you cannot improve. Like ops means not only DevOps people or your total operation people. If they are not efficient with cloud, okay, and it will be problem. So you cannot like improve your organization, whatever the goal you are thinking about that. Okay, so you cannot able to achieve those things. So first of all, when you are planning these things, no, when you are trying to upload these things into your cloud server, first of all you have to identify which is our weaker people, weaker resources, and who are the best people. So if the best people, number of best people is very less, then what I will do, I will reject some of your like I can say uh, poor people. Okay, instead of rejecting those as, yeah, I will reject some people which is not efficient for my cloud. Okay, then I will hire a new one. So my goal will be my workload should run smoothly. Okay, this is the, like, that is why in when anything, if you see, when you are shifting from here to there, the main problems comes to your development team or your operational team. Okay, they fired a lot because suppose you have some people who works not only development, again I am telling you, uh, who works as in conventional way. But nowadays, conventional will not work. You need to know, you have to update yourself in every aspect. Okay, what are the framework we are using? What are the framework is in market? Okay, how you can do that? So if you don't have those type of people, you cannot like improve your whole journey, cloud journey and all. So better to leave them, go away, and I will hire the new people. So end of the day, these operations is the main thing. Okay, it's all people, all the operations who will take care of these things, or who will participate to upload all the data. All people, if they are not efficient, your cloud migration will be not efficient. So you need a proper knowledgeable people, and this is the operation thing happen. Okay, it is not, as I told you, perform operation as code. You so suppose you hire some people who don't know, so you have some people who don't know about IAM, who don't know about EC2 instance, who don't know about S3. You don't need those people. You who don't know RDS, what is the database and all. You don't know these people. You don't want these people, because end of the day, when it will upload, you need to know all these things, so you can easily hire. So it is, if you take this one, it is as a code purpose. Okay. Same thing happened with your uh, like of DevOps team, market, HR team. So all people are bound with this, that particular time. I'm telling you, that particular time when you are planning to upload, and up to upload, and then optimization, the whole journey. Planning to upload your project into cloud server. Okay, then upload, and after that your optimization thing happened in whole journey. If you have people who are not efficient, okay, who are not aware about the what is going on in market right now, okay, so it will like, mm, frankly speaking, in my case, I will not mm, go with those people. I need a proper people who can deliver these things to me. This is operation that a business has to take care, or management has to take care. So first, business will take decision. Okay, then it will create the governance body. Okay, then they will choose the platform, what platform we are going with. Then it will take all the security measure, and then it will identify who are the person can help me. If it is required, I will hire some like efficient person instead of using our old person, and then we will start our cloud journey. When everything happened, okay, every optimization happened, then we will teach those people who will deliver to client, or as I told you, shopkeeper, all those stuff. So this is the CF, cloud adoption framework. You like, you has to go through there. So yeah, now tell me about your journey. Like, okay, I will give you an example also. Uh, Wait. Okay, if you asked me, I will give you, don't worry. So if you ask me, imagine uh, your current business operation are currently housed in a traditional office, okay, office building in an old city. You decided to move to a new modern digital city. Okay, think about it in AWS cloud. Okay, before you move, the city provides a detailed guide, okay, that helps you plan everything. First, how the move will benefit your business. So you already have a business in an old city or in a village. Okay. Now you are shifting your business into a city. Okay. So first you have to think, is it profitable to shifting your business into there? Okay. There is a lot of chance you cannot you can there is a lot of competition in city. Okay. You cannot able to survive there. The success rate is, it can be success rate is not good as per your thinking. So before that you have to, when you are doing this plan, before that you have to take the decision, you have to take the market risk, and then you are thinking, suppose yes, this is it will be okay. Okay, so that is the business perspective, how the move will benefit your business. Okay, then you have to think how you will manage your new digital offices. Okay, who will be the boss? Okay, who will be the manager? Who will be your staffs? Okay, that decision you have to take. Okay, this is the second round. What type of digital buildings you will use? Okay, so small building, big office size. Okay, so that is the platform, what type of building you are going to use. Okay, then next question, how you can secure this data with traditional lock and key, or new age numbering key. Okay, that you have to take decision.
Or biometrics.
Biometrics, yes. And uh, operation, who will run your operation daily basis? Your manager is capable or not? Okay, your worker is also capable or not? Okay, who will give you the best business? And last, who all people we need to train after like completing all the setup? Okay, who will going to help you? This is the concept of the AWS adoption framework. Now tell me.
So far, what you thought is like, what is the framework and what are the stages are there? What need to understand? So everything is okay, but what are you confused, right?
Hmm.
So for example, if I'm just get selected into one company, okay,
Okay, okay.
okay. So those company will have few clients.
Yes.
So they're asking me to do work for one of the client. They are telling
Hmm.
me you have to migrate this company's on-premise data, all their application completely into the cloud.
Hmm.
So next step, these things I need to run, right? So I need to discuss with the client business who are all there. I want to
Hmm.
discuss with them. I will get the detail. Then I will
Hmm.
discuss internal among with our team, like
Hmm.
how to go ahead with this business, how to migrate it,
Hmm.
which platform we need to select, which
Hmm.
region is suitable for them. So to
Hmm.
do that, I should know the pricing
Hmm.
and who are all the, I want to understand their organization structure so that I can
Hmm.
able to create the each and everyone's roles, who should be the admin, who should be the developer, who should be
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
administration part will comes,
Hmm.
production support, DevOps team. So these roles I will get to understand.
Hmm.
So those requirements I will get
Hmm.
it from the client, correct? So based on that,
Client,
I
yes.
need to prepare one document or run book or something I need to prepare,
Hmm. Hmm.
right?
Obviously, yes.
Right. So then I will start to implement.
No, you
Mm,
can't.
mm.
Then again, you have to discuss with business.
Correct,
You
correct.
have to give all the blueprint to business. Okay, business
Exactly.
will take the decision for you. You
Correct,
cannot able
correct,
to take the decision.
correct.
Yes.
So I will give the run book. I will give the walkthrough, what I'm going to do for
Hmm.
you.
Hmm.
So they will agree. Then
Hmm.
after that, I will tell the project time when I will
Hmm.
start, when I will
Hmm.
complete the implementation, then pre-implementation stages, post-implementation checks, what I am going to do,
Perfect. Hmm.
and what I'm till how long I'm going to support you. After the migration, there will be some few
Hmm.
lags will
Hmm.
be there,
Hmm.
few
Hmm. Hmm.
problems will be there,
Hmm.
like on warranty period or guarantee period I will give. So
Hmm.
till then
Hmm.
we will work for them. Once
Hmm.
everything is completed, then our work is completed. So we'll
Yes.
wind up and we'll come out of that, right? This is what
Yes.
we are going to do that. For
Yes.
that, this framework is our basic.
Yes. This framework is basic.
Okay.
Yes. And
Mm,
I'm telling you,
mm,
this is basic and this is the only framework.
mm,
I will explain the another framework, but
mm,
no one is using that framework.
Okay, got you.
This is, you can understand, this is a very easy framework. Any
Mm,
layman can understand. If you discuss with your business, suppose
mm,
you a client,
mm,
they can easily understand the whole thing.
mm,
But yeah, there is a lot of other framework, but that
mm,
is not that's why I told you this is the simple, that's why I start with this one. Other are
mm.
bit complicated, but yes, it will be very easy.
One more though, this is a common framework for all the cloud. This is only for
No, 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 no,
AWS.
no. It is totally AWS. AWS CAF is the most the full name is AWS CAF, not CAF.
Mm,
AWS Cloud Adoption Framework.
mm,
Other framework is related but similar with this one, but not
mm,
same.
okay. There will be
So
little changes in their
there will
way
be
of
little
approach.
changes, yes.
Okay, got you.
When like later I will discuss another framework with Azure. It is not required, I know. It is not your syllabus in also. But to understand this framework, I will explain that one also. Then you will understand how easy it
Mm,
is.
mm,
Anyone can understand.
mm.
Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Mona, any question?
Yeah, is this the latest version? Which version it is like, or
Which one?
that we are talking about is just
CF.
common? No, AWS has multiple releases, multiple versions,
Ha ha
right?
ha ha ha.
So is this the common one?
Yes, yes. Is it the
Uh,
common one?
Nothing related to version.
No, no. Yeah,
Okay.
it like I can tell you this is complete version. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
they put all those things in version number 3, but it is
Mm-hmm.
not started in version number 3. It started from the
Mm.
very first. In version
Okay.
number 3, the some security concept is this one encoding
Mm.
system, MD5
Mm-hmm.
encoding system that they introduced in security. Okay,
Okay.
but yeah, main structure is not from version 3. Main structure
Mm.
is where when the cloud migration like concept comes from, then
Mm.
only this one is there. CF is there,
Mm. Okay.
and
Okay.
you
No
understand.
additions.
Yeah, no
Okay. Okay. So by
upgrade
any
happen.
chance they do some sort of upgrades,
Yes,
it
yes, in
happens?
3.0, in 3.0, especially in
Mm.
security.
Oh,
What
okay.
type of
Okay.
encoding you can use there in
Mm.
network, in storage, this security
Mm. Mm-hmm.
they actually describe in version 3.0, but
Mm-hmm.
not the whole change, only just security
Mm-hmm.
in
Okay.
3.0. And I'm telling you, at least 30% question will come from here in an
Mm.
interview.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so
Wonderful.
look, this type of question will arise. Suppose your question interview is as either technical or managerial.
Mm.
If it
Mm.
is managerial, same in
Mm-hmm.
cloud platform only, cloud
Okay.
migration only. So if you
Mm.
are in this one development team, then your question will be like technical question. And if you think as a managerial perspective, this is will be the your Bible. A 30 to 40% will come from here only. What
Wonderful.
is the
This is what
role
I
of
want.
business? What is the
Mm.
governance?
Mm.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can also share our interview questions later.
Yes, 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 yes. I will give you every single thing. I will create a PDF.
Ah,
And if I'm
okay.
not able to do that, weekend I will create that one for you,
Mm.
Sure,
for
sure,
both
sure.
of you.
If possible,
Okay.
if you have any PPT also in the
Mm.
presentations along with the question answer, right, that will be more helpful. Whatever you given, we have a recorded session. I will, I will go repeat this
I
video
will.
again. Okay, I
Yeah.
will
Okay, that's okay.
go
Yeah,
through this video
I
again.
will try. I will try. Don't worry.
Okay.
I will try.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So today I have to leave because now it is paining
No
my
problem,
knee.
no problem.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, Sudeep.
Thank
Mm.
you.
It was
Thank you
wonderful
again. Thank you,
session.
Mona. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, please take care. See you
Yeah.
soon.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Mm.
Bye.